So here we are on a TFL Toyota Prius. Gentleman has just been failed at the NSL test center for having a non-approved dash cam in his vehicle. He has rebooked in for retesting within the 21 days that they allow for free, and he's now can't work for almost 2 weeks until his test because they removed his badge for having a non-approved dash cam. And here is, I'm not going to show you all the paperwork, but here it is from the test center. Unapproved dash cam fitted to front and rear screens. And this is a top of the range Viaphone A139, very good camera for domestic uses, but not approved by Transport for London. And now the consequences are the driver cannot work for 2 weeks until he gets this removed, which is what we're here to do today, to remove it. I've advised him to try some of the other test centres to see, like Canning Town or South London, I think is it Coulsdon, to see if they have any earlier appointments. So yeah, that was this morning. So now he's out of work for 2 weeks.